monster! It's 12 o'clock high!
Jace, catch him with your net!
Rough net!
Great work, Jace!
Thanks, but now Chicoletta's up there all by herself.
Travis, we need to get you up high enough to grab the balloon's rope. Marshall, get here as fast as you can with your fire truck.
I'm fired up!
I'm here, Ryder! Great! Raise your ladder!
Ladder!
Okay, Travis, you know what to do.
Almost got it! Worry not, frightened passenger. I, Traveling Travis, will expertly pilot his balloon safely back to the lookout.